Thank you so much for returning to my YouTube channel. My name is Ranalynn Naipo, and for all my new subscribers, aloha and welcome. So, it's a Saturday morning chat session, and you know we need to address the elephant in the room, which is a Hawaii mug. H-A-W-A-I-I. Why? Because this girl is a Hawaii YouTuber. Yep. I know I go ahead and address the cup in all of my Saturday morning chat session. I've been giving the bling cup a little bit of a break, but we have water and we have tea. So let me go ahead and drink a sip of my water because I have my tea right here. There we go. We got water to go ahead and stay hydrated while we're filming, because this girl can go ahead and talk like a little banshee. If you went ahead and saw the length of this video, I know you're gonna say, girl, I need to go ahead and pause this video. I need to get a snack. I need to get popcorn. I need to get some cookies. If you're gonna get some cookies, go ahead and pass this girl some cookies and snacks, because I didn't go ahead and eat lunch yet. It is 11:45 in the morning, so it's still morning here in Hawaii. But after this video, this girl needs to go ahead and eat. So hopefully this video won't be very long. If you went ahead and saw the length, make sure you go ahead and get a snack, get comfortable, get water. If you're watching this at night, maybe your tea, maybe a coffee, maybe a glass of wine, whatever you need to go ahead and get. Pause the video, go get something to eat. We're gonna chat. We're gonna chat. I'm gonna bring you up to date. So we're gonna go over on what's on my lips, because I actually got it from a subscriber. Went ahead and checked my P.O. box. I'm gonna be inserting a picture right here, because these are actually liquid lipsticks. Now they do have lip glosses from this same brand, CMAADU. I got two different colors. Color is number 1, that's the first color right there, and the next one is number 6. I'm going to be swatching both of these colors because I mixed and matched, and you know this girl had to go ahead and come up with her own color combination. So the first color is actually in a nude or flesh tone color. This is what the packaging actually looks like. We're going to swatch this color right here so you have a better idea of what the color actually looks like. I'm going to make big swatches. But I had some subscribers that say, girl, your swatches are getting a little too small. So that is number 1. The next color that we have here is number 6. Ooh. So if I combine those two colors together, that's the color I actually have on my lips. Let me swatch number 6 for you. Now that's what the secondary color actually looks like. Ooh. But those are the two colors that I actually got from my subscriber. There we go. So we combine these two colors together, and that's actually what I have on my lips. I'm going to kiss the back of my hand. This one was actually on for like about 20 minutes. That one is absolutely dry. That's the color that I actually have on my lips. I combined these two colors. So I wanted to go ahead and show you what a subscriber went ahead and sent. So I'm going to be leaving the link down in the description bar if you are interested in trying a very affordable liquid lipstick. This is color number 1, and this is actually color number 6. Now as far as foundation, there we go. Tarte. This girl's been hooked on Tarte. Normally I go ahead and use my either Derma Blend or Derma Call, but I wanted to go ahead and still try out this foundation, this stick foundation from Tarte. I love it because it actually comes in a roll-up stick. Okay, we only went through a small amount because a little actually goes a long way. I think the Amazonian clay works very well with my skin. Plus, I love that it comes in a tube and not a cream, because I'm able to go ahead and use this when I'm traveling with Mr. Jim up island. So what we have on our eyes is actually from Hourglass. This is their Infinity line. I like it because the palette is kind of small. It does come with a mirror on the inside. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors. I can go ahead and blend this one in the corner of my eye. I have the lighter shade as a brow bone color right there. So being that the palette did not come with a shimmer color, I went over with my Super Shock eyeshadow from ColourPop. This is in the color Arrow. I'm going to be swatching that for you. I just love their eyeshadows. That's the color that I actually have in the center of my eye because I wanted it to go ahead and complement my lips. So the next item I want to share with you is actually a beaded scarf. This one has tassels down at the opposite end. There we go. This is what the scarf actually looks like. Here we go. I'm going to show you. You can either go ahead and wear it as a choker around your neck. I'm going to demonstrate for you how I actually had it in my thumbnail. I would suggest that maybe you're able to go ahead and wear it as a choker, being that it's beaded on one side, and go ahead and let it drape like this here. I'm going to take both ends and drape that. If you want to go ahead and wear it like this, I think it's absolutely perfect. If not, you can just loosen the collar like this here and wear it very loosely. There we go. And go ahead and bring the tassels a little farther up so people are able to go ahead and see the tassels. So that might be another option on how you want to go ahead and wear this scarf. So now that we have the scarf on, I wanted to go ahead and address the title as well as the thumbnail for this Saturday morning topic. One of my subscribers, who's actually 55, had a great question for me. The question was, how do I dress appropriately for my age? We were chatting actually offline, and I went ahead and asked her a couple of questions. So being that I am 52 and this subscriber is actually 55, she was concerned because she's a grandmother of 6, and she always has her children telling her that she's always dressing inappropriately. So I wanted to go over some tips to go ahead and answer some of the questions that she wanted me to go ahead and answer. Now, I did go ahead and make a few notes. The first suggestion that I'm gonna have to suggest is probably the one skin rule. You always see me with maybe an off-the-shoulder top. What I'm gonna have to suggest, if you decide to go ahead and wear something that is actually off the shoulders, to make sure that the bottom half is actually more covered up. Now, if for some reason you decide to wear a more conservative top, then you might want to go ahead and wear a age appropriate length skirt showing a little bit more legs, but keeping your top a little bit more conservative. So now, if you're looking in your closet and you have a lot of vintage pieces because you like to go thrift shopping, what I would suggest is, for example, if you have a great Victorian top, you might want to go ahead and pair that either with a solid slacks or skirt. That way it doesn't look like you're trying too hard, but you're able to go ahead and mix and match those vintage pieces with some of your classic solid pieces, so that way it doesn't look too busy. So the next suggestion I'm going to have is make sure that you're shopping smart. Make sure you bring a list of all the items that you actually have in your closet. Find out what you're actually missing and invest into those key pieces first in your closet so you're able to have your basic wardrobe. After that, you may want to go ahead and invest into a couple of printed items so you're able to mix and match and coordinate those pieces with what you currently have in your closet. So if you found items at a vintage store and it does not fit you well, you may want to spend that extra money to go ahead and have those items tailored. It'll give you a much clean and sleeker look, even if you found it actually on sale. So for example, if you found a beautiful vintage blazer and maybe you spend $100 on it, why not go ahead and spend an extra $20, $30, or $40 by tailoring it so you will look more well put together and have a much cleaner and sleeker look when you're wearing that particular piece. The last suggestion I'm going to have to give is confidence. We always want to make sure that we're feeling confident in what we're wearing. I would suggest that if for some reason you're feeling a little uncomfortable in wearing a trendy item, then basically just steer away from it. If you're fidgeting and the item is feeling a little uneven, is not tailored, or is feeling a little itchy and is making you feel uncomfortable, basically it's going to reflect in your posture, your personality, and on your facial expression. So I hope that I was able to go ahead and address that particular question that a subscriber had. So my name is Ranalynn Naipo. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so by clicking on that subscribe button. Don't forget to click on that notification bell, because that's what's going to keep you abreast of all of the videos that I upload on a weekly basis. But what I want you to go ahead and do is to go out there, be bold, be beautiful. Don't forget to dress up. And all the way from Hilo, Hawaii, my name is Ranalynn Naipo. Aloha! Happy Saturday, guys! Bye-bye!